Congratulations! Happy birthday!
Pinamati ko yung may birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jay!
Can I hear a round of applause? Alright, napaka-energetic ng ating ano ngayon ha. Mukhang okay din yung pwesto natin dyan. Ready na ba tayo?
You ready?
Yes, ayun. So welcome the family of Ma'am Rose. Starting with the head of the family, Sir Alex Javier, together with their daughter, Scott, their son, Lexan, and Kevin. One more time, let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. And now, guests, let's all stand as we welcome today's celebrant. Let's give her the warmest welcome. Here she comes, the celebrant, Ma'am Rosita J. Javier. Alright, isn't she lovely today? Thank you. Now this time, let us call on Pastor Jose C. Bernales to lead us in a prayer of thanksgiving.
Lord, thank you for bringing us together.
Hello po, happy Sweet 16. Ano magustuhan mo, ma'am, yung nabili kong damit? Okay. Thank you.
Alright, once again, thank you so much, Ma'am Mary Ann. And in line is Ma'am Carmela Garcia as she presents her fourth dress.
Mami, kapatid ko po yan, mami. Ito pa po. Mami, kapatid din po yan. Ma'am, Friday din po yan. Hello po, ma'am. Happy birthday po. Ano ba yan? Ma'am, thank you po, ma'am. Kasi, di ba po bago po akong teacher, siya po yung aking unang naging mentor na kaya ano po, sobrang thankful po ako kasi sa kanya po ako napunta. Ma'am, happy birthday po, ma'am.
Old Rose. Happy birthday. So pag ano to, ma'am? Thursday.
Okay, ready? Question number 1. Saan school unang nagturo si Ma'am Javier?
Taas kamay po, saan school? Oh, coming from table number 2.
Holy Child po.
Tama?
Tama.
Holy Child, congratulations! Ayan.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to say thank you to each one of you. Words are not enough to express my gratitude and thanks to each one of you. I know all of us are busy and hinihintay natin lagi ang holiday to give us a time to relax, but then you are all here to celebrate with me my very special day. Also, talaga, thank you. I will cherish all of these things. Hindi lang po yung gift ninyo yung naging special sa akin, but your presence, talaga yun po yung ano. So, ano pa ba? Of course, sa nagbigay buhay po ng ating program ngayon, si Sir Max. Thank you, Sir. Napagpapalit lang para maging healthy. Ay, ano na, outstanding na yan. Outstanding na yan. Okay, so yun lang po. At maraming salamat. Lahat po ng nandito ngayon. Salamat po. Yun lang.
And thank you so much. We have something meaningful. The 6 treasures. Gifts representing love, wisdom, success, and all the blessings our celebrant has given and received throughout her 60 years.
Nagpalakis ako eh. Ma'am, happy birthday. Javier, ang una kong nakilala sa Donny Rosario. Trivia. Teacher siya ng anak ko. Si Arjen, grade 4 noon, nang nakilala ko si Ma'am Javier. Binigyan ko ng problema to eh.
Okay. Happy birthday, Ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Javier.
The years you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest things I found with you through the years. Yes, birthday, Ma'am Rose. God bless you.
As happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am J.
So, happy 18th birthday. And thank you so much always.
Ang wish ko, Ma'am, happy and fulfilled heart po. Thank you so much, Ma'am. Happy birthday po.
And happy birthday, Mom. I love you. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Jan. Happy birthday once again, Ma'am Rai. Ganun po kayo maglambingan sa Donya. Alright, and to complete our 6 flowers, of course, hindi naman pwede na ang loving husband hindi magbibigay. Let's welcome the loving husband of our celebrant. Let's welcome and have a big round of applause to Mr. Alex Javier. Siyempre may sayaw yan.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Una po, nagpapasalamat po sa Panginoon dahil sa pamibigay niya ng malusog na pangangatawan sa aking asawa. Gayon din, nagpapasalamat po rin ako sa inyong lahat na nagbigay ng oras na makapunta rito. Ang wish ko lang po sa aking asawa ay bigyan ko po siya ng malusog na pangatawan, talino upang sa ganun po ay mapagtagumpayan na po lahat ng pagsubok na dumating sa buhay.
We are blessed to have you in her life, and ayun, thank you for also taking care of my mommy sa work, sa lahat, and for being a good friend and a good mentee for her, because I've heard that most of the
Ngayon na?
Ayaw na sila.
ng ano eh, ng... video ng marami pa kanina. Di ba, okay lang.
Si Ma'am maraming video sir eh.
Ah, nakapag-video naman?
Opo kanina. Order dito kayo si Janet's Catering. Thank you so much, Ma'am Rose. Happy birthday.
Pwede dito ulit?
Sorry.
Hindi. Okay lang. Anong gagawin ko?
May price po kayo pag-alam po.
Maglaro ako rito. Anong lalaro ko?
Kailangan po, patayin niyo po siya yung mga lata. Dapat mahulog po na. Lakasan niyo po. Ulit-ulit. Galingan mo, titil mo, galingan mo ah. Uy, grabe ah. Grabe talaga. Huwag mong perfectin, tama na. Perfect na eh. Okay, next ka na, next na. Kasi pasok naman lahat eh. Ang lapit na para ano. Sobrang lapit. Ilan dapat mabutomba? Lahat. Ayun na. Ang galing mo talaga.
Pwede pa ulit dyan? Hindi na. Pwede. Eh, wala na frame. Ay, pwede pa. Wala pa akong frame.
Dito ka ta, Jings.
Pwede pa, kahit dyan na lang.
Oo, sige.
Para makakuha akong frame pa. Tsaka.
Tatlo pa. Dalawa. Ayan, sakto yan. Uy, ano pa yung
Sa panga!
ano pa?
Pauni.
Okay naman. Diba?